What if you could own one motorcycle that is light, tough, easy to ride, and ready for both city streets and dusty off-road trails? The new 2026 Yamaha XT 200 is built exactly for riders who want freedom without spending a fortune or dealing with heavy machines. Why everyone is talking about the XT 200. The Yamaha XT series is famous for being reliable and beginner-friendly. The 2026 XT 200 takes this legacy to the next level. It is designed for daily commuters, students, and adventure lovers who want a simple bike that never gives up. Engine performance, smooth power you can trust. The XT 200 comes with a refined 200 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that delivers smooth and steady power. It is not about speed racing. It is about control, comfort, and confidence. Whether you are riding in traffic or climbing rough paths, the throttle response feels natural and easy. Design, tough outside, comfortable inside. This bike looks small but strong. The tall suspension, wide handlebars, and upright seating position give you a confident riding feel. The 2026 model features updated graphics, LED lighting, and a digital instrument cluster that shows speed, fuel level, and trip details clearly. Riding experience, made for city and dirt. On city roads, the XT 200 feels light and flexible. You can turn easily, stop quickly, and park without stress. Off-road, it becomes a true adventure partner. The high ground clearance and long travel suspension let you ride over rocks, mud, and broken roads without fear. Fuel economy, ride more, spend less. Yamaha focused on fuel efficiency, making the XT 200 perfect for daily use. You get more miles from every gallon, so your monthly fuel cost stays low while your riding fun stays high. Final thoughts. Is the 2026 Yamaha XT 200 worth it? If you want a motorcycle that is affordable, durable, and fun in every condition, the 2026 Yamaha XT 200 is a perfect choice. It is not just a bike. It is your ticket to freedom, adventure, and confidence.